data search. The flexible search. The flexible search is a Hybris abstraction over the SQL language. You write SQL-like queries, while Hybris handles types, tables, and columns. For example, you can see Get All Objects of the type query. We don't need to get all fields, only PK is needed for the model. Other fields are on demand, retrieved by the Hybris model layer. Here you can see an example of query that filters by code and localized in German property. For the localized attribute, we need to provide a locale in square brackets. Here are examples of joins. First is joining the wrapped one model. The second is joining via many-to-many relation table. To retrieve the certain columns, provide them in Select and specify the result class. To limit the amount of results, Count should be passed to the flexible search query object. SQL functions like max or count can be written inside the query, but the result class, as integer for example, has to be specified as well. For the subqueries, special brackets combination has to be used. By default, the search is done by the specified type and all its child types. Joins are done by the Hybris internally. With exclamation mark, you can limit search to the specified type only. And with asterisk modifier, search will be performed only for specified type and child types that are using the same table, so no joins will happen. If you want to retrieve results from a particular type, you will need to join the composed type by its typecode. Hybris will cache your flexible queries and their results. Sometimes you may not want to have your results cached, for example, when they are having frequently changed attributes like time. For such cases, caching can be disabled. From the other side, if you want to use cached, even outdated values, this is also possible. Wrap search into local view with cache TTL parameter and it's done. Flexible search query object is having options for paging. Start is index of the first item. Count is for size. And need total will ensure that result will hold the total count. Don't forget to add the ordering to your query so result is consistent. With restrictions, you can customize queries with additional filtering for different users or groups. Restriction consists of principal, user or group for whom restriction should be applied, item type on which restriction is applied, and query, filtering part of query that will be appended to the end. To get rid of restrictions, you can whether execute search as admin user or disable them with Search Restriction Service. If you want to go a bit further, you can add a condition to your restriction and enable or disable it later. This is possible as the session attributes are being visible and applied for restrictions. Let's wrap it up. Flexible search provides convenient abstraction over the SQL queries. It can be used for both simple and more sophisticated cases. Restrictions are integrated into flexible search. That's it for the flexible search.